YAMAHA Tenere 700, 2019 on review. Stripped back simplicity. We waited a long time for the arrival of the YAMAHA Tenere 700, but in its first 2-day test in Spain it lived up to expectations, and continued to do so when we took it around the MCN 250 test route in October 2019. Instead of following in the footsteps of the majority of manufacturers in the adventure bike class where engine size, weight and electronics have continued to increase, the Tenere comes at things from a different angle with a dry weight of 187 kilograms, 205 kilograms wet, 72 brake horsepower and no electronic aids apart from ABS which can be switched off for off-road use. Ride quality and brakes. The KYB 43mm upside-down forks give 210mm of travel and have compression and rebound damping. At the rear there is a Sachs shock with 200mm travel. The initial impression from the front is that they are soft, but once into the stroke they are well supported, giving good feedback on road. Off-road it has that initial softness that inspires confidence and gives good grip. Engine. The 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin motor comes from the acclaimed Yamaha MT-07, which was introduced back in 2014. It may only have 72 brake horsepower, but it delivers everything it has in a fun, easy and engaging way. There is no vibration through the handlebars and the range of power and torque is impressive, allowing you to let the revs drop to as low as 2500 RPM and still pull completely cleanly and smoothly. Reliability and build quality. From an engine point of view, it's proven and reliable technology as it shares the same motor as the MT-07. It has high-quality suspension and Brembo brakes, and as a package has been a long time coming, so expect benchmark Japanese build quality and reliability. Our Yamaha Tenere 700 owner's reviews show a few problems with wheel spokes corroding and poor paint finishing. Take a read before you take a test ride. Value versus rivals. Priced at £8,399 if ordered before the end of July 2019 or £8,699 thereafter, it is extremely competitively priced in the adventure bike class. While there are reasons why it is cheaper in terms of spec and equipment levels, it still offers excellent value for money. In October 2019, MCN took the Tenere around the infamous MCN 250 test route alongside fellow Yamahas, the MT-07 and the Tracer 700. The Tenere had the best fuel economy, returning 54.5 miles per gallon, and once the 16-liter tank was factored in, also accounting for the highest range of the three, at 191 miles. Equipment. Given that it is priced at £8,699, which is over £3,000 cheaper than a KTM 790 Adventure, our compromises have been made to achieve this price point. While the hardware is high quality, there are no electronic aids on the Tenere, so no different maps, traction control, quick shifter, or auto blipper. The dash is basic, one color and hard to read in dust or direct sunlight. The switches on the Tenere are fairly similar to Yamaha has been using since the 90s, but it all works well. Specs. Engine size 689 cubic centimeters. Engine type liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, 4V, parallel twin. Frame type steel backbone, double cradle. Fuel capacity 16 liters. Seat height 880 millimeters. Bike weight 205 kilograms. Front suspension KYB 43mm upside down, 210 millimeters travel. Rear suspension Sachs rear monoshock, 200mm travel. Front brake 282mm twin disc. Rear brake single 245mm disc. Front tire size 90/90x21. Rear tire size 150/70x18. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £400. New price £8,699. Used price £7,500 to £8,600. Insurance group 10 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2. Top speed and performance. Max power 72 brake horsepower. Max torque 50 ft-lb. Top speed. A quarter mile acceleration. Tank range